Hello friends, welcome to my channel Insights India. Today is 22nd February 2023 and all the important questions that can be made of today's current affairs we will discuss in this video today, and I will also tell you the facts related to it. So watch full video carefully and it's important for all the competitive exams. So let's get started. First question is, where has the India Uzbekistan training exercise Dust Lake started? So correct answer is A, Uttarakhand. Anti-copying law has come into force in Uttarakhand. The Chief Minister of Uttarakhand has announced to make the state drug free by 2025. India's first green energy based solar panel factory by Luminous will be set up in Uttarakhand. The Tableau of Uttarakhand has won the first prize in the 74th Republic Day parade. The Uttarakhand government has decided to abolish the revenue police system. Uttarakhand High Court was shifted from Nainital to Haldwani. Uttarakhand celebrated its Foundation Day on 9th November. The Chief Minister of Uttarakhand inaugurated the Lakpati Didi Mela. Defense Minister performed Shastra Puja at Oli Military Station in Uttarakhand. Second question is, who has become the batsman to hit the most sixes in the Test cricket? So correct answer is A, Ben Stokes. Third question is, which state has celebrated its Foundation Day on 20th February? So correct answer is C, both of the above. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh has inaugurated the Seol Bridge in Arunachal Pradesh. Prime Minister Modi inaugurated Doni Polo Airport in Itanagar. Arunachal Pradesh has launched the world's first drone medicated livestock vaccination service. Walong Fair was organized in Arunachal Pradesh. Fourth question is, who has been appointed as the new CEO of Niti Aayog? So correct answer is B, BVR Subramaniam. ICIS has appointed Anikesh Sunil Talati as its new president. Rajesh Bindal has been appointed as the Chief Justice of the Allahabad High Court. Toyota has named Koji Sato as the new CEO. Victoria Gauri has been sworn in as a judge of the Madras High Court. Indian American Neil Mohan has become the new CEO of YouTube. Fifth question is, who has been elected as the chairperson of the 62nd session of the United Nations Social Commission? So correct answer is A, Ruchira Kambose. Sixth question is, whereas Home Minister Amit Shah inaugurated the first phase of Shiva Srishti theme park. So correct answer is B, Pune. Seventh question is, where has which country successfully tested fired the Hwasong 15 intercontinental ballistic missile? So correct answer is D, North Korea. The range of this missile is 13,000 km, which is also capable of carrying nuclear weapons. Eighth question is, Russia, China and which country have started joint military exercise? So correct answer is C, South Africa. Ninth question is, who has inaugurated the Semi-Coin India Conference? So correct answer is D, Ashwini Vaishnav. Tenth question is, which Indian origin scientist has won the National Geographic Pictures of the Year award? So correct answer is B, Karthik Subramaniam. 11th question is, where will the 18th World Security Congress be held? So correct answer is A, Jaipur. 12th question is, who has won the 2023 Ranji Trophy title? So correct answer is C, Saurashtra. Saurashtra has won the Ranji Trophy title by defeating West Bengal by 9 wickets. The final match of the Ranji Trophy was played at the Eden Garden Stadium in Kolkata. 13th question is, who has been appointed as the Child Rights Ambassador of UNICEF India? So correct answer is B, Ayushman Khurana. Puma India has signed Harmanpreet Kaur as its brand ambassador. Kuldeep Yadav has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Real 11. Skechers India has appointed Kriti Senan as its brand ambassador. Navi Technology has signed MS Dhoni as its brand ambassador. Leading edtech company Byju's has appointed Lionel Messi as the global ambassador for its Education for All initiative. National Mineral Development Corporation has made Nikhat Zareen as its brand ambassador. Ranveer Singh was made the brand ambassador of India in FIFA 2022. Myntra has signed Ranbir Kapoor as its brand ambassador. 14th question is, which ministry has launched M-Passport Police app? So correct answer is D, Ministry of External Affairs. 15th question is, which is the world's first cloud-built demonstration satellite which was successfully launched recently? So correct answer is A, Janus 1. 16th question is, which company has launched Sapphire Rapids processor for professional creators? So correct answer is D, Intel. 17th question is, which platform has been developed by the Indian Air Force for jammer-proof communication? So correct answer is A, VayuLink. 18th question is, which two groups have been declared as terrorist organizations by the center? So correct answer is C, both of the above. 19th question is, Tata Steel has completed the first multimodal shipment of TMT bars from West Bengal to which state? So correct answer is C, Tripura. Election Commission has launched Mission 929 in Tripura. The Chief Minister of Tripura has launched the Amar Sarkar portal. Tripura government has launched Earn with Lunch scheme. The Tripura government has announced the launch of mobile veterinary health services. 20th question is, which state's chief minister has launched the 6th phase of Sujlam Suflam Jal Abhiyan? So correct answer is A, Gujarat. Its objective is to increase the groundwater level and make maximum use of rainwater. Justice Gokani has been appointed as the Chief Justice of Gujarat High Court. The National Children's Science Congress has been held in Ahmedabad. India's first IVF mobile unit for cattle has been launched in Gujarat. The Gujarat Assembly has passed the Unauthorized Development Regularization Bill. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग माई वीडियो। अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आई तो आप लाइक करें, कमेंट करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को हिट करें। थैंक यू।